Two guys, same age, same city, same $60,000 in the bank, same $75,000 salary. One buys a home, the other keeps renting. 20 years later, one of them owns a paid-down house worth over $600,000. The other has an investment portfolio that surprises everyone who assumed he was wasting money on rent, including himself. Today we run the full 30-year math. No agenda, no shortcuts, just numbers. I'm Reid, this is Wealth Unlocked. Meet Jake and Ryan, both 30, both earning $75,000 a year. Both have $60,000 saved. A three-bedroom home in their city is listed at $320,000. Jake buys it, $64,000 down, exactly 20%, avoiding private mortgage insurance. 30-year mortgage at 7%. His total monthly cost, mortgage, taxes, insurance, and maintenance, comes to $2,420 per month. Ryan calls his landlord and signs another lease, renting a comparable home for $1,850 per month. He invests his $60,000 and the $570 monthly difference into a total market index fund. On paper, Ryan found a loophole. But here is what nobody tells you about year one of home ownership. Jake's real day one cost is not $64,000. Closing costs, lender fees, title insurance, attorney fees, prepaid taxes, add another $6,400 to $16,000. Jake's true cost to get into this home is $70,400 to $80,000. And of his $1,703 monthly mortgage payment, $1,493 goes straight to the bank as interest. Only $210 actually reduces his loan. In year one, Jake is spending $2,210 per month on costs that build zero equity. Ryan is spending $1,850 on rent. Ryan is actually throwing away less. By year three, here's exactly where both men stand. Jake has spent $87,120 in total housing costs. Only $7,200 of that reduced his actual loan balance. His home is now worth approximately $355,000. His equity is real, but locked inside walls he cannot sell without paying 5 to 6% in commission on the way out. Ryan's $60,000 index fund has grown to $79,860. His monthly contributions added another $23,800. Total liquid wealth, $103,660. Jake has $106,200 in equity. Ryan has $103,660 in liquid assets. Almost identical, except Ryan's money is accessible any business day. Jake's is not. By year 10, something important shifts. Jake's home is now worth approximately $451,000. His equity, $233,000. His mortgage payment, still fixed at exactly what he started with 10 years ago. Ryan's portfolio has grown to $255,600. Ryan is still ahead on liquid net worth, but here is the number nobody mentioned at the start. Ryan's rent by year 10 has climbed to $2,486 per month. He is now paying nearly as much as Jake every single month, with nothing building underneath it, and Jake's payment is locked in for 20 more years. Ryan's rent will keep climbing. By year 20, Jake's home is worth $638,000. His equity, $470,000. His monthly payment, still anchored to what he agreed to 20 years ago. Ryan's portfolio, $493,600. Ryan is still marginally ahead on total net worth, but Ryan is now paying $3,340 per month in rent, every month, no end in sight. By year 30, Jake's mortgage is gone. He owns a home worth $902,000 outright. His monthly housing cost, $720 to $900 per month. Ryan is still renting, $4,490 per month. No asset, no endpoint, no floor under his cost of living. Now here's the part that changes everything about the renting analysis. Ryan's strategy works, and works extremely well, only if he actually invests the $570 difference every single month, including the months the market drops 30%, and every instinct says, wait it out in cash. The data on whether actual renters do this is not encouraging. Most people spend the difference. They upgrade their lifestyle, they take the vacation, they move into a nicer apartment. Jake's mortgage enforces savings automatically, every single month whether he feels like it or not. That forced discipline is worth something no spreadsheet can capture. So when does buying clearly win? If you are staying in one place for at least 7 to 10 years. If your home price divided by annual rent is below 20. If your rent is already close to what a mortgage would cost. And when does renting clearly win? If you might move within 3 to 5 years, closing costs alone will leave you behind. If your price to rent ratio is above 25. if you are in a career phase where mobility creates real income growth, and only if, honestly, you will invest every single dollar of the difference every month without exception. Here are the only two questions that actually matter. How long are you genuinely planning to stay? And if you rent, are you honestly going to invest the difference every single month? Everything else flows from those two answers. The math, the comparison, the year 30 outcome, all of it depends on what you actually do, not what you plan to do. Drop a comment below. Are you team rent, team buy, or somewhere in the middle? I read every single one. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share this video. It really helps the channel. See you in the next video.